Hey, hey. Trying a new trail. Kind of a tricky one to find, but I found it. See where it actually goes. But this is the morning side of the other trail in the last vlog. The morning side, the east side, I guess you'd call it. The walking bridge. Not really much to see out here. Trees, leaves, Daves. I just saw some big flying. Oh, there it is. It's a big ass woodpecker. Big motherfucker, too. Flew down toward the ground. Is that him? No! Oh, come on. Every time I fucking move, he fucking moves. No clear shot of him whatsoever. Everything is in the fucking way. Where'd that son of a bitch go? A giant fucking woodpecker, man. This thing is huge. I've never seen a woodpecker so damn big in my life. Totally not even on the trail anymore. Well, giant woodpecker, where'd you go? Holy fuck, he's huge. Finding the son of a bitch is like the hardest part. Fuck, he likes to fucking totally position himself in the fucking worst possible fucking spot. Fucking asshole. You're being uncooperative, woodpecker. I don't like it. Motherfucker. He ain't gonna let me get him. It pisses me off. This is like barely a fucking trail out here. Got trail markers at least. That's a good thing. There's a rabbit in front of me. Is that my boy? No, that's a different one. Look at this guy right here. Oh, he's fucking cute as can be. I'm looking for one bird. I found a fucking robin fucking sitting on a tree. So I guess I had to take a picture of it. Don't look at me. And a big fat robin just sitting right in that tree. Take your picture, you fat bastard. Oh, he's got a branch in the way. Can't believe how much activity I got going on out here right now. All kinds of like little woodpeckers and stuff too. Woodpeckers and robins and a giant woodpecker. Wherever the fuck he went. He was a big bastard. What's that, robin? The robin. Screw the robins. He just pooped for me. Thanks, buddy. I think I got some good shots of him there. Let's see what the fuck my exposure is even coming out like out in here. Dark, dark, dark. 400 f8, 400 ISO. Yeah, it kind of sucks because we got all these houses right here. Oh, there's my giant woodpecker. Totally unsuspecting. No! God damn it, as soon as I fucking find him, every fucking time he fucking flies to a different tree. Fuck! He knows how to piss me off. Fuck you, giant woodpecker. Fuck you. A big pile of dirt, go play in. That big bastard, huh? Yeah, so that's gotta be my field I found the other day. Tonka trucks. Wow. Look. This is what Daddy wants. Some nice trees over there. You just hear the water splishing underneath my feet. Let's see how far we can actually get. Oh man, this is really watery out here underneath, huh? This is like all flooded. Alright, we ain't going this way. Never mind, change of plans. It's not a real long trail anyways, it's just like a kind of, I think it's a quarter-mile out and back or some shit. Did follow my little grassy area over here, so I really wanted to check it out. Like I said, it's on the east side of it too, so it's be good for mornings. A little river runs right through my little marshy land here. That would make sense. Get right out to the water. Right out to the water. This would be a cool little fucking time-lapse spot right here. Yes, indeed. Big old sinkhole. You know, I love my sinkholes. As long as I'm not falling in them. Yeah, it's pretty sweet out here, that's for sure. I like this new area. Really digging it. Shitty time of year to find it, but I'll actually be spending some more time out here. Got some good bird activity today. I mean, it's like I said, it's November 23rd and we're still getting decent bird activity. There's a little fucking sparrow or something about fucking 7 feet on over that way. Oh, about 5 feet over that way now. It's coming closer. What's up, little dude? You gonna come right over here? It's okay, dude. Come over. What's up, little fat dude? Critter King. Yeah, Critter Cam was a bust. So anyways, I stopped, grabbed the trail map, right? Let's see, this is the trail I'm on here. This is the trail I was on the other day, so it's basically I'm on the other side of the river right now. You got this other third one over here, but you don't look like he fucking goes anywhere except along the river. But then I found this one in my backpack. It has not only 3 trails, this one has 6 trails. So we got all these other trails here now that I can go check out. They don't look like they go anywhere though. So there's 3 others on here. And you can still check them out. Not today, but getting chilly. Sun's going down. Definitely got some critters around here, but losing the light. So the temperature is dropping. It's only about 40 something degrees today anyways, but oof, it's probably down to about 40 now. But love finding new spots, that's for damn sure. This is definitely a good spot to go to. Some good activity around here. It's late in the year too. Like all my usual places I go is beginning of November, they're pretty much dead. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, tell me I suck. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Later.